Hi there, and welcome to Limitless Lab Productions. So, I'm Olivia, and today's topic of focus is going to be calorimetry. So, during this episode, we're just going to go on a quick rundown of what calorimetry is and what we can use it for. And then, of course, we're going to end with a cool demonstration, and that'll be that. So, let's go. So, what exactly does calorimetry mean? Well, calorimetry can be defined as the technique that measures the amount of energy or heat that is involved in or transferred during a chemical reaction just based on the states of the compounds within the reaction. And when scientists talk about this term, they often utilize the two words endothermic and exothermic, but what exactly do those mean? An endothermic reaction refers to a reaction in which heat is transferred from the surroundings into the system, causing the temperature of the surroundings to decrease. In a chemical equation, the change in heat would be seen on the reactant side of the equation and would be positive. In contrast, an exothermic reaction refers to a reaction in which heat is transferred from the system to its surroundings, which results in an increase in temperature of the surroundings. The change in heat would be written on the product side of a chemical equation and would be negative. So when it comes to calorimetry in real life, a great example is instant hot packs and cold packs. And so when heat is transferred to the surroundings, the pack is heated. However, when heat is transferred to the system, the pack is chilled. Now for the demonstration. So to set up the calorimeter, you will need 2 styrofoam cups, a lid, a stir bar that goes in the styrofoam cups, and your 2 substances, a stir plate, and a temperature probe. Now, to begin, you'll start by placing the 2 styrofoam cups together, ensuring that minimal heat is lost and that the calorimeter is as perfect as possible. You'll then place the stir bar in the cups and pour your solution into the calorimeter. Next, position your temperature probe close to the side of the cup so that collision is avoided with the stir bar, and then place on the lid, leaving a slight opening to maintain constant pressure after you add your solute. After turning on the stir plate, you will begin to collect the temperature data to observe whether the temperature of the surroundings increases or decreases. Now that we've seen the demonstration, it's on to some tips and tricks for this experiment. To begin, it's more than important to wear proper attire during the lab, such as a protective lab coat, safety goggles, and gloves at all times. In addition, it's even more important that you remove the lid of the calorimeter as little as possible during the completion of the reaction to minimize heat loss to the outside. This will minimize error as well. And of course, finally, always listen to the TA's instructions and have fun. This has been Limitless Lab Productions. Have a great day.